Chapter 4 Metals and Non-Metals. Hello students, welcome to today's science class. Today we are going to learn Chapter 4 Metals and Non-Metals. So let's begin. Question 1. What are the physical properties of metals? Students, metals have some common physical properties. Number 1. Lustrous. This means metals are shiny, यानी metals की surface चमकदार होती है. Number 2. Hard. Most metals are hard, मतलब अधिकतर metals सख्त होते हैं. Number 3. Malleable. Metals can be beaten into thin sheets. इस property को malleability कहते हैं. Number 4. Ductile. Metals can be drawn into wires, यानी इनसे तार बनाए जा सकते हैं. Number 5. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals heat और electricity दोनों को आसानी से पास होने देते हैं. Number 6. Sonorous. जब metals को strike किया जाता है तो ये ringing sound produce करते हैं. Question 2. What are the examples of non-metals? Some common non-metals are oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon and sulfur. ये सब non-metals हैं और इनकी properties metals से अलग होती हैं. Question 3. What are the uses of metals? Iron is used for making bridges, gates and tools. Copper is used to make electric wires because it is a very good conductor of electricity. Aluminium is used for making utensils and aluminium foil. Gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Zinc is used for making alloys and protecting iron from rusting. Question 4. What is malleability? The property by which a material can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Simple words में किसी मेटल को पीट कर पतली शीट बनाना malleability कहलाता है. Question 5. What is ductility? The property by which a material can be drawn into wires is called ductility. यानी मेटल को खींचकर वायर बनाना ductility कहलाता है. Question 6. What is sonority? The property of metals by which they produce a ringing sound is called sonority. जब मेटल पर चोट लगती है और घंटी जैसी आवाज आती है, use sonority कहते हैं. Question 7. Define conductor and give an example. A conductor is a material that allows heat or electricity to pass through it. Examples are copper and iron. यानी कंडक्टर हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को आसानी से पास होने देता है. Question 8. Write the difference between conductors and insulators. Conductors allow electricity to pass through them. Examples are iron and copper. Insulators do not allow electricity to pass through them. Examples are plastic and wood. याद रखिए, कंडक्टर्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास होने देते हैं, जबकि इंसुलेटर्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को रोक देते हैं. Question 9. Define corrosion. Corrosion is the process by which metal objects get damaged when exposed to moist air and water. Moist air और पानी के कांटेक्ट में आकर मेटल्स धीरे धीरे खराब हो जाते हैं. इस प्रोसेस को corrosion कहते हैं. Question 10. Why is sodium stored in kerosene? Sodium reacts very quickly with oxygen and water. Therefore, it is stored in kerosene to prevent contact with air and moisture. इसीलिए सोडियम को हमेशा केरोसिन में स्टोर किया जाता है. Question 11. What is rusting? Rusting is the process of formation of rust on iron objects when they react with oxygen and moisture present in the air. यानी हवा की ऑक्सीजन और नामी के साथ रिएक्शन करके आयरन पर रस्ट बन जाता है. इस प्रोसेस को रस्टिंग कहते हैं. Great job students. Let's quickly revise. Metals are lustrous, hard, malleable, ductile, sonorous, and good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals include oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon, and sulfur. Remember the important terms: malleability, ductility, sonority, conductor, corrosion, and rusting. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next class.